Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the awkward smile TikTok filter. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the Discover tab, the one with the little magnifying glass right above it. Click on Discover. And then at the top of the screen, you're going to see a search bar. Go ahead and click on the search bar and enter in awkward smile filter, all one word with no spaces. That will bring up a page with videos that use the effect awkward smile filter. Find one that uses the awkward smile filter. The first one on the left here actually does. I've already checked it. You can see the icon bottom left of the video right above the hashtags and other details. You can see where it says awkward smile next to the little magic wand. Go ahead and click on awkward smile. And here underneath the name awkward smile, you can see that it says add to favorites. Go ahead and click on add to favorites. You can go ahead and shoot your TikTok video using the awkward smile filter by pressing the camera icon, the bottom center of the screen. You can also find it later by backing out and clicking on the Me tab down at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Open up your account, and then right to the right of where it says Edit Profile, you're going to see your bookmark icon. Go ahead and click on that bookmark icon, and then swipe over to where it says Effects. Click on Effects, and there is our awkward smile filter. Go ahead and click on awkward smile, and that will bring you back to the page that we were on before, where you can click the camera icon and use the awkward smile filter. When you're all done, just back out. I hope this video helped you out on how to get the awkward smile TikTok filter. If it did, smash that like button and go ahead and consider subscribing, because we do talk about this sort of thing often. Thanks for watching. Take care.